Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are looking at skill drawing. Some special things to take note of. Skill drawing is actually a special type of drawing where particularly, we are looking at distance on the map versus the real actual distance. Okay, and do take note how I color coded the n. So the scale is usually represented in the form 1:n, where 1 represents the distance on the map and the n represents the actual distance. Okay? So it can be represented in either ratio or fraction form, and the key thing is that it has no units. Okay, so that is important. The scale factor is also known as the scale. And how do I then calculate this scale or scale factor? Well, we do need to make sure that whatever is it on the map or on the drawing, we divide by the actual length of the object. Okay? With that, let's move on to some examples.